In front of me is Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Then select App Notifications at the top and tap on Most Recent located under App Notifications. Then select one of those options to sort your apps, in my case by most frequent notifications. Finally, by clicking on any of those switchers next to any of your apps, you can block all notifications from them. To switch them back on, hit the same now gray switchers. If you want to, you can always just tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!